Meaning of infallibly.
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 Infallibly. The word infallibly means something that is incapable of making mistakes or errors, and is always accurate and reliable. When used to describe a result, it means that the result is certain and guaranteed to be correct. In other words, there is no possibility of error or uncertainty associated with the result. An infallible result can be trusted completely and used with confidence for making important decisions. It provides a sense of assurance and reliability that is crucial when dealing with critical or sensitive matters.